justified with being patient. Times have changed, but stay patient. Sold drugs like a doctor, my patience. If you had the talent, would you make it? Probably not, cause let's face it, talent's not what it takes to be famous these days, and it's all created. Didn't wanna know how I did what I did, but I just did me until I won. Say you wanna move like a king, but don't go shit, still living like a bum. Said he wanna move with a team, but he got a reputation for being dumb. Asked if he can leave with a pin, come back and pay for it when he's done. Look, if you don't have to cash up front, then please don't.
So unfortunately, there's been a crash, and yeah, it's pretty bad.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, he is. Like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got.
You found a car to do some skids. Enzo's come out with Zara, come out to the track. We're at the Road-X Challenge. It's kind of like a drift competition, but it's not like a proper competition. So bulk laps on the drift playground at QR. Super excited, I've never been out there before. And the track is sick. So they got layout out there, you'll see very shortly. I'm actually teamed up with this guy that's going now, Alberto, in his 4-door R34. Sounds sick. Got the gazebo set up. I'll clean that shit off the camera, I just noticed it. And yeah, the S13's out here. Pretty much the same from Matsuri, haven't changed anything other than the front wheels. Have to play around with that because it's hitting the bloody tie rod arms. But that's just because I've got more. Yeah, anyway, just got to suss that out. But keen to get out there, do a couple of laps and get a feel for the car. These are the same tyres that we're on from Matsuri, and they're Road-X tyres. So if you didn't know, Road-X is a tyre brand, and they're, for this event, really cool. Its entry was $550, but you get 4 tyres, and their tyres are about $100 each. So yeah, add it up, it's pretty good value, because I'm definitely going to use those tyres anyway. So yeah, really cool. It's bloody hot though. Let's get out and do some skids. So pumped. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment below, share the video with your friends if you're enjoying it, and yeah, let's make some smoke.
Not yet. Wedding, so they kept cancelling his annual shit. So they went the upside down. Ready? Can you see him? Can you see Dad? Can you? Who's that? Should we go interview him? Hey, how you going?
Park over there.
Okay.
So unfortunately, there's been a crash, and yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty much like exactly the same as what I did, just a little bit further back. They ran into each other though, no tyre walls. Bash bar, I think, just got him good. That's really unfortunate to a nice S13. Just doing me tyres. Need to get one of these things myself, borrowing off Braden. Yeah, pretty rough. off, man.
Yeah, shit happens, eh?
Fucking yeah. Trying to copy me. Yeah, that's drifting, unfortunately. Crash all the time. Hopefully I don't freaking crash. I shouldn't say that because I probably jinx it. But basically I went out, I did a couple of laps and I was just like, I had too much grip, like heaps of grip. So Raiden suggested that I pump the tyres up a bit, so I'm going 30 PSI on tyres that were already heated. How good is this little thing, man? You just put in the freaking, oh man, I need to get a Makita one of these, eh? But yeah, I had too much grip, so he suggested that I pump the tyres up a bit, give me less grip, and then have another go, because then you can just let them down if you have to. But these tyres were the Matsuri ones, so they're already heated in there. I should pick it up pretty fast, but the entry is just where I gotta practice. But the track is sick, it's a sick layout, lots of grip, so do a few laps, get the hang of it, and then start doing some tandems hopefully with this 34 guy. It looks pretty freaking good. Roberto, he's from, I don't know if he's from Japan, but he's been drifting in Japan for years, and then hasn't drifted in like 10 years or something, so he's back, and yeah, gonna do some skids. So I'll chuck this over here. There we go. Oh, smash the rear window. Smash the quarter glass as well. Shit, I didn't see that. That sucks so bad. I'm sure these boys drive together all the time, so I'm pretty sure they won't be too annoyed at each other, but it sucks. How cool are the headlights on this? Alright, skids, time for skids. right spot on the accelerator the whole time.
Yeah. You didn't have to like go down super low to clutch it or anything because you stayed in like, I guess, the RPM range.
And the LS torque was,
Yeah.
it was loving it.
Yeah. Vic loving it.
Thanks for your tips, man.
Oh, good man.
I'm gonna park it up.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Lullabies of you still in my head. Bloodshot eyes, can't sleep, I'm rotting in my bed. Even the drugs don't faze me. I don't think you understand, I gave you everything I had. When did shit go wrong? And now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me
Warning, Neo detected. Warning, Neo detected.
So that is a wrap from the Rodex challenge, drift challenge, and somehow the car's still in one piece. I'm doing really well, I think. Yeah, I definitely started off pretty hairy out there, and then got a bit more confident, build up the confidence, get a bit of more progression happening, and then like Xavier came in the car and actually helped me out heaps with like a couple of things I was just doing not very well, and one of them was my throttle control, like basically like controlling the angle of the car with the throttle instead of the steering wheel so much. And when I started doing that, definitely was doing heaps better. And the other thing he gave me a tip on was just my entry, because the guy in front of the R34, Alberto, nicest guy, hey, freaking awesome guy, he was going like super fast on the entry. Dude's a freaking sick driver, and so I had to like try and enter that speed just so I was with him. And so if you're trying to catch up all the time, you're just sloppy because you're cutting the corner and it's not a good line. So when I entered and I was chasing him like pretty close, it was just a way better run. And then by the end of it, we were getting in some sick runs. I don't know how good the footage was, but hopefully we captured some stuff. I was just having a sick time. It was actually really fun, and keen as to come out. Everyone's trying to G me up to come to the morning session, but gotta go to work, make some money. In saying money, I literally didn't use anything this event. Literally same tires from Matsuri, still got some left on there, definitely some more on there, still same tank of fuel, and yeah, you literally can't ask for more than that. Don't know how this freaking rear bumper bar is holding on there. I literally, when it came off of Matsuri, I quickly chucked it on there and put 2 zip ties on it, and it was just hanging on there, and I've left it like that and it's still hanging on there. Like, how crazy is that? It's freaking sick. Normally my rear bars just explode, so pretty happy about that. And yeah, just a sick event. Thanks so much to Braden and the boys at Rodex, Team Rodex. Sick event, so sick. Hopefully they'll hold another one. We're gonna jump in the car. It's bloody stinking hot today, and we're gonna go get some food and some rehydration. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Yeah, if you guys could do me a favor, I know all you guys that make it this far in the videos are like the OG supporters, and I appreciate you guys. If you could share the video to one of your friends or 2 of your friends and try and get the channel to grow a bit more, because it really does help out. Like, getting those new eyeballs onto the videos really helps out. And like, with me only posting 1 video per week, YouTube is not favoring that. So yeah, I need your help. Please help out. Appreciate you guys. Let's go.